Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to December's monthly celebration. If you're new to my channel or new to this series, I've been doing this all year long where on the 15th of every month, me and a few talented scrapbookers here in YouTube share a layout that we created based off of the things that we celebrate for that month. And of course, because it's December, I wanted to do a Christmas layout. And so these are the pictures that I had pulled. And this one was, these were taken, I think it was 2017 or maybe 2016. I can't even remember, but it's a while back. And these are just pictures of me and my family when my brother, who lives in California, along with his wife and their little one, they went and visited our area. And so we had them for dinner. And so we just took pictures of the cousins and the whole family. So I have, let me see, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 photos here. They're all 3x4. Some are vertical, some are horizontal. And so of course I wanted to do a Christmas layout, but I also knew that I didn't have a lot of Christmas papers, but I know that I have a few that could work. So here are my choices. I pulled this out. Now this is just kind of a hodgepodge of stickers that I had used for my Flavors of the Month kit, but I knew that there were some Christmas stuff over here, so I might be able to use that, who knows. And then I have this word sticker. I don't know, I'm guessing this is a Heidi Swapp one because of the way the lettering is, but there's our family, ours family, belong, home, discover. I think I can use some of this for my title. And then I just had some washi over here. I have been watching a few RTS videos lately, and she uses her washi for like strips, and I do use strips, like, you know, like 1/4-inch strips of paper for my layouts. And so I decided I'd pull out my washis because I haven't really used them or shown them a little bit of love, and I still have them in my stash, so figured I would try to use them here in this layout. And then I have these couple of tags. Don't know if I can use it, but I like the wood grain and the white against red. I thought that will be good. I did print out my journaling here already, so that's good. And then I have a few papers here. This is a scrap of paper. It's just red dot, and it actually is not a Christmas theme, but I thought that the red would work well. And then here are just 12x12 papers that I have. I have this American Crafts one that's plaid. Right now, the black and white plaid is really in as a Christmas and a farmhouse theme, and so I thought I would use that one. And then I have this that has the 4x6 cut aparts, and then on the back side it has this. And then I have some Christmas trees, and then of course I have my white cardstock. Now this is actually legit white cardstock. I know if you've been watching me in the past, you know that I use the back side of pattern papers that I don't care for, but I had some white nice basil cardstock on hand, and so I thought that I would use that for this layout. So those are the items that I would be using. Again, I don't know what design I will be doing for this one just yet. I'm gonna let the pictures and also the products that I have kind of inspire me on how to create this layout, and I hope that you follow along as I make it. Alright guys, so this, I'm going to warn you right off the bat, this is going to be a fairly quick video because I did not realize that my phone wasn't filming when I was just going with this layout. I think I was watching a movie, and so the sound in my family room is a little bit too loud, so I didn't hear that little sound that it makes when it turns off or whatever, so I apologize for that. But there are pictures at the end of this video so that you will be able to see how it all turned out. So again, I'm going to start off with that green Christmas tree paper, and I'm going to put that in kind of center of the double page layout. I am using a sketch for this one, and it's from Scrapbook Generations, and it's not really you know, following it to a T, but it's kind of similar, and unfortunately I don't have that sketch in front of me, but if I find it, I will make sure to leave it in the notes section of this layout. But I think it's one of the free sketches. anyways, I find that right now using some sketches, especially with my double page layouts, makes my layouts not look all the same, because if you have been watching me and you know my style, I kind of all put them all in the center, and sometimes that doesn't work really well. And so I am going to use one of this 4x6, and that's going to be my title. Initially I wanted to do a different title, but I figured this one is really, really pretty, and so I'm going to add that there. And as you saw me, I cut 1/2-inch strips of that red dot paper, and that's going to be kind of my frame, and then I'm using that kind of black plaid paper, and that's going to be on the bottom. I will mat those horizontal photos on the right side with just maroon paper, just because it just seems like it was getting lost there. And so all my vertical photos will have a mat. And then I just added a bunch of stickers to dress up this layout, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for joining us with this blog hop year long, and I hope to see you guys next year. Bye!